Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to calculate the difference between two dates in Excel. Like and subscribe, support this channel. Let's get started. To calculate the number of days between two dates, we simply subtract the smaller one from the larger date and get the result. But what if we need to calculate years or month in Excel? There is a function DATEDIF which calculates the difference between two dates in Excel. As you have noticed, this function doesn't appear automatically, it must be entered manually. This function has two arguments: start date, end date, and the metric by which the calculation will take place. The metric can be days, months, and years. To calculate the difference in months between these two dates, we will use this formula: start date in cell B2, end date in cell C2, and the metric meaning months in quotes. Press enter and we get the difference in months. Okay, we do the same for calculating the number of years, but in the metric we specify the letter Y, which means the years. The days can also be counted using this function. As you can see, the result is the same. And finally, a few tips. By default, Excel counts from the day following the start date. So if we need to take this start date into account, don't forget to add one day to the final result. And if you don't get the correct result despite using the correct formula, check the cell format right here. Date cells must have a date format in order for the formulas to work correctly. That's all. Now you know a little more. Thanks for watching.